Hello everyone, I'm back to do another unboxing since Facebook is not allowing me to do them. They're having problems right now, and I am outside as it's not as hot as it rained. I hope you all are having a good day today. So with that, I am going to be unboxing this cute little tiny Tukkins. Okay, I've already took everything out of the box, but I'll show you that. There are 12 collectible characters, cute critters to collect and love. You either will get a boy or you'll get a girl. Baby in crib set. And this is by Beverly Hills Teddy Bear for the company. Right down there, I don't know if you can see it, it's a little glary. So with this, you get one crib, one mystery plush, one removable diaper, one blanket, and 2 accessories. So, here is the one I got. It's in its little bed. So cute. A little bear, it looks like. Here's its removable diaper that you can take off and put back on, but I don't want to take it off because it looks like it'll be hard to put on. Oh my god, his little tail pops out of it. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's put that baby back in there. Sweet little thing. Here's its little blankie. Oh, it's got little hearts, a little bit of lace across it. So we'll stick that in there. Just like so. And there it is. So cute. 2 accessories in here. You got a little ducky. Oh my god, it's so tiny. And a little baby bottle. Oh my god, it's so cute. You can pretend like you're feeding it. There we go. Don't know if you can see it. It's so tiny. Here it is. And the little ducky on top of its little head. So let's see, which did I get? Does it not have a checklist? Oh, yeah, it is. Alright, Tiny Tukkins Collector's Guide. Did not see that. Looks like there's going to be a storm. So, Beverly Hills Teddy Bear. You can see it better on the back, the company. Alright, so let's see. Oh my gosh, it has play sets, preschool playtime play set, nap time nursery pet play set, cuddle and play set, preschool playtime play set, playhouse with Mommy Evelyn, Daddy Ezra, and Baby Mouseskins. You know, this kind of reminds me of the Calico Critters a bit. I used to have those when I was a kid, and I didn't have the little house anymore as I grew out of it. But I purchased one online. It's been a little while at Walmart, which I haven't put out yet, with some of the Calico Critters. But isn't that cute? It reminds me so much like that. Here's all the ones you can get. So let me see, which did I get? I got a pink diaper. Or did I get a puppy? I don't know. It kind of reminds me of a little bear, but it has a pink nappy on. Diaper. I don't know. Maybe I got a puppy because it had a pink diaper on it. Lucy, I think. Yep, Lucy Pupkins. I want to say I got that one because it had a pink diaper on. See? It looks like a bear though to me, more than a puppy. But I don't know. What do you think? Looks more like a bear than a puppy, but, well, Henry Bearkins or Hazel Bearkins, female. And she has a pink diaper, and both of these have a blue diaper. So I'm not really sure if it's a boy or if it's a girl, and if it's the puppy, Lucy. Because the one bear has eyelashes, but it has a blue diaper. And the other bear doesn't have eyelashes, and it also has a blue diaper. See? Right there? So I'm not sure. I want to say it's either Lucy Pupkins or maybe Hazel Bearkins. But again, it has a pink diaper. Then a blue diaper with the little bears. Try to compare. Feel free to comment on which you think it is, because I'm not sure. So here's a close-up of them so you can see. They're all so cute, but I'm not sure which one I got. So feel free to comment, like I said again, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of the tiny Tukkins. Here it is again. And his little bed, or her, I don't know. It's adorable, whichever I got. I love teddy bears. I love anything cute. Alright, that is the end of my unboxing video. I will be back for another one later. I will decide when that time comes. Anyways, see you later. Bye. And have a good day / week.